At the time I filmed this video, I had spent nearly 3 months in the UK and hadn't taken any motion sickness medicine. But today, I needed it. So I was glad I popped a pill before this part of our Wales road trip. Yikes, oh my goodness, this definitely adds to the excitement of driving on these curvy, narrow roads where you have little visibility as meeting an oncoming tractor. Ooh, don't mind us while we squeeze by. The song says don't go chasing waterfalls, but we paid no heed to that as we went to chase this famous waterfall. The roads were very curvy, but they took us through some spectacular scenery of countryside and wooded forests and lovely little towns in County Powys.
We must be getting closer because we are turning on Waterfall Street. Oh my. This road is getting narrower and we're on it for 3 miles. We must be getting closer to the waterfalls because the hills are getting taller and we're seeing some cliff faces. And the road is getting narrow and lined with yarrow.
Pistyll Rhaeadr claims to be the highest waterfall in Wales and England. Not sure if that's true, but it is definitely one of the tallest single-drop waterfalls in the United Kingdom, plunging about 74 meters, also known as 240 feet, down a dramatic cliff in the Berwyn Mountains of mid-Wales. You can reach the base of the waterfall by walking this short path to the pool at the bottom. What makes it especially striking is its elegant ribbon-like flow that cascades in 3 distinct tiers, creating a powerful yet graceful spectacle. Its Welsh name means spring of the waterfall in English, reflecting its deep roots in local language and culture.
I love this little keyhole area right here. That's awesome. There is a person at the top of the waterfall, which is totally freaking me out. What are they doing? It looks like they're about to jump. Oh my word. This is terrifying me. He is doing something stupid. He's like posing for Instagram or something, risking his life. Oh, this just makes me crazy. We wanted to hike to the top of the waterfall, but it takes 30, 45, maybe an hour to get up there. And in an hour, the car park closes and is locked where our car currently is. So we don't have time to get to the top and back and get out of here before we get locked in.
So we have decided to do the next best thing, which is have Ian launch the drone to get some aerial views of the falls. He did suffer an unfortunate crash when the drone had an unexpected water landing, but thankfully it survived and Ian managed to get some lovely footage. The waterfall has inspired artists and poets for centuries and is even mentioned in writings from the 19th century as one of the 7 wonders of Wales. The falls are fed by streams flowing off the Berwyn Mountains, a mountain range covering 93 square miles and standing 723 feet, or 830 meters, at its highest point. Ian tells me that this is not the tallest waterfall, that Aber Falls is taller. However, I just looked up Aber Falls and read that it's 120 feet and this is 240 feet. So sounds like this is a hotly contested honor of which waterfall is actually the tallest. The waterfall is noteworthy not just because it's tall. Pistyll Rhaeadr feels remote and wild, surrounded by rugged hills, sheep-dotted farmland, and mist that often gathers around the falls, adding to its mystical atmosphere. Despite its grandeur, it's relatively uncrowded compared to more famous British waterfalls, making it a hidden gem for hikers and nature lovers seeking dramatic scenery without the crowds. And that is exactly what we're here for. Beautiful places in nature that are not heaving with coachloads of people and suffering from over-tourism. I see you, Ireland's Cliffs of Moher. This area is a mountain wilderness with extensive tracts of heather moorland and blanket bog, as well as pasture and bracken slopes. It is home to rare animal life such as the hen harrier, merlin, peregrine, red grouse, and black grouse. Most of the Berwyn Mountain Range is access land where you have the right to wander across the open hills as you wish. As you explore this area, you can look for the evidence of prehistoric and medieval land use and settlement, including farmsteads and lead mining activity dating back centuries. Many of the tracks in these mountains are ancient, so you can feel as if you are walking back in time. The Berwyn Mountains are one of Wales' undiscovered treasures, waiting for you to explore their challenging walks and enjoy the spectacular scenery and wildlife. The public toilets cost 50 pence, and you can't use a credit card or Apple Pay. Oh no. Here at the entrance to the waterfall hike is this B&B and cafe, and what I really like is that they have a wee dragon sitting at the top of their chimney. I hope you get to visit this lovely place yourself one day. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this wee visit. Thanks so much for watching, and do something good in the world today.